Freshdesk app. The pros, the cons. The Freshdesk app is more than a help desk. Most people get this wrong. It's a customer support platform that helps teams manage tickets, automate workflows, and provide fast, effective support across multiple channels. On the pros side, Freshdesk offers email, chat, phone, and social support in one platform. Automation rules, canned responses, and manage and streamline operations. The app integrates with tools like Slack, Jira, and Scrum platforms, ensuring smooth workflows. Reporting dashboards provide insights into team performance and customer satisfaction. Its mobile app allows agents to resolve tickets on the go. On the con side, some users find the pricing high for advanced features, and setup can be complex for larger teams. Customization is limited in lower-tier plans, and integrations may require technical knowledge. In conclusion, Freshdesk app is ideal for businesses that need a centralized, efficient, and scalable customer support system. While setup and costs may be challenging, its automation, multi-channel support, and reporting make it a valuable tool for improving customer experience and team productivity.